Hi guys, welcome back to this kind of YouTube channel playlist of my CBR 1000 Fireblade R5 2005. So what I'm doing today, I've seen my other videos, I'm actually going to do the flapper mod today, which is, I don't know if it's working or not, but so basically what happens is, as you on low revs and stuff like that, this little flap in there, you can see it or not, flap here as you rev, with obviously the air shuts this, the vacuum down here, pulls this flap shut. So what I'm going to do, what I've read online is you can either remove all these gubbins here, which I'm not really sure about, but you can lose all this and all this, and the only thing you've got to be careful of is this line that goes back to the throttle bodies, or you can just pull this pipe off here from the vacuum, and there you go, this line here, put a screw in that and block it off, and then that would actually stop your flap from working, which is great because increased airflow in low revs, more RPM and stuff like that. So I'm literally, that is all you've got to do. So I'm going to find something now and just kind of put it in, and all you've got to do is, some people use like a screw or and just cable tie it off, realistically is what they do. So we'll see, and that's it. Obviously later on I'm going to do rebuild over the winter, and when I do that I'll remove all that gubbins probably. I've already got just want to really get rid of it, so I don't want to make too many issues, so I'm just going to literally find a bolt now, and then so I've got something up here, just give me 1 second. I always have a kit like this, so I need to have a little, sorry I'm in my unit so I don't have great light in here, but I am looking to buy a big battery pack so I can get power down here. It's not in my house unfortunately. So I've got something like this. You probably can't see this because it's getting dark over here. So this is the size of the hose here. Sorry, camera angle. I'm going to get some better setup eventually. Probably a bit small, that one. I'm going to get some better cameras as well. Or some mounts so I don't have to keep holding the camera. Let's see if I can, is that better? A bit of light on it. Oh, probably shouldn't have done my fork seal. So I've just done my fork seals. Just literally get a screw in the end there. And then if you cable tie that in, that should, I'm just thinking like chopping that off a bit low, you know, because there's going to be so much hanging down. I'm probably just going to snip that. It's only a bit of hose, isn't it? What's the worst that can happen? So what we'll do, it's not enough to get, I just don't want that hose hanging off. So I'm literally just going to cut it. Ooh, he says. Oh, yeah, that was a bit harder than before. Keep that in my spares. I've got some cable ties there as well, somewhere. So I'm just, I did have some cable ties, but I haven't got them there. Oh yeah, I've got them. Okay, so just a miniature cable ties. I'll obviously tie this up a bit later on. So you got to do, apparently, just put the screw in the end there, and then you just cable tie it up. Let me get cable tie started first before I do that. Oh my god, you're probably looking everywhere. Let me see if I can see you somewhere. I'm not sure how well you can see over here. I'm hoping you can be able to see that. So I'm just literally going to cable tie this. Get my bolt. Well, I'll show you, hang on, I'll show you when I do it. I'll just put the bolt in it. And then cable tie in. Must be big enough to, oh yeah, that's quite secure. Just make sure you really cinch it down. So as you can see, I can't see because there's no light. So what I've done, I've just put a bolt in the end there, and then you cable tie it, and that just stops any vacuum getting pulled, which obviously in turn pulls the valve open, and then yeah, you should be golden. Try that for an easy mod. Obviously eventually when I drop it down in the winter I'll be able to get rid of, gosh, really shouldn't do that, get rid of all this vacuum and this one here, the actuator, which is in there. I can get rid of all that, the flap, take the flap right out to type of unrestrict the airflow. I don't know if this would cause a fault code or not. Maybe if you know, just drop it in the comments. Just let us know any extra mods you think I should do. Let's just notice that one's off there as well. Let us know if you know any mods, that'd be great, and catch you in the next one, which should be maybe the rear thing. I don't know. It depends which way you look at it, but it's going to be something like a rear mod or something like that, brake pad, or whichever way you look at it. But keep tuned, and you'll keep seeing other updates of little videos and maybe a larger one of all the bits together. And you can see how I did the whole thing. But hopefully back on the road soon when the gearbox comes. And yeah, see you next time, guys.